Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. So today I'm going to be talking about the Hero Arts factory sale bundles. Hero Arts just recently had their sale and they were selling bundles on their website for people who were not able to get to the sales. So I got a couple of the bundles, 3 bundles actually, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox them here. And I already know a few of them are some duplicates, so I'm going to be giving those away on my channel. So stay tuned to find out how you can sign up to win those. So the first bundle is this mystery bundle. The other two were like everyday sentiments, I think, and then there was like a holiday bundle, and then this was just like just a random mystery bundle. So I'm just going to go through what we have here. So this one looks like it's a Father's Day, Mother's Day stamp set, which is great because I actually don't have many Father's Day, Mother's Day stamp sets. So this has some good kind of just general sentiments. And then it's got the little animals. Who doesn't love little animals? Mama bear, Papa bear. So that's super cute. I'll use that one. And then this is a stencil, very ornate, floral tile stencil. That's really cool. I wonder what that will look like once I use it. Also came with these little enamel dots. I actually have these. These ones came in one of the Hero Arts kits, and I think this one came in a kit that I didn't get. So, but this one would be really fun for like an 80s themed card or like a fun birthday card, I think. And this one, I'm guessing, probably also came in a kit because it's kind of loose like this, but I don't know which one that would be. But this one has a lot of great sentiments. Adventure awaits, have a safe journey, wishing you all the best, wild and free, and I think there's going to be a stamp set in here that this kind of goes with. This one is really cool. This looks kind of like almost like a tarot kind of celestial themed. Does this have a label on it? This one, sun pattern bold print. So I really like that one. I think I'll get some use out of that one. This artichoke heart one. This one is called Artichoke Blooms. Artichokes are actually very pretty, very purpley flowers and stuff. From the bottom of my heart, for those of you who love puns, you have my heart. But I don't see myself using this one, so I think this is one that I am going to give away. So if you're interested in this one, stay tuned. This one, I already know that there's a duplicate in this one, so I am going to be giving this one away as well. This is the Tide stencil, so I guess this is supposed to be like little tide pools and might go well with an ocean-themed card. I put a spell on you. Look at the cute little witch, little hocus pocus there, and I don't have any Halloween-themed cards. Not many anyway, so I'm going to hold on to that one and see what I can do with that. This one I know is also a duplicate because I have peeked at this before I started this video. This one is kind of cool. This is like a Tetris looking one. This is called Brick Wall Bold Print. And I can see how this would be really cool. I can see actually, so like it looks really bold here, but I bet that if you just use kind of like a tone-on-tone or embossing powder, it would just give like a background, a really nice kind of texture to it and wouldn't detract too much. But right here it looks pretty bold, but I'm guessing that you can make it so that it's more of just like a textured print in the background. Now this one is really cool. I had not seen this one, and this is absolutely gorgeous. This is like a Monet one, Impressionist Water Lilies Heroescape, and you can see how these come together and they form kind of an impressionist waterscape. So that is really cool. I don't have anything like that. And I like the quote here too. It's better to have done something than to have been someone. I just love quotes like this for the interior of cards and kind of just general cards when you're just kind of looking for something that isn't like a birthday or, you know, thinking of you card. Having quotes like that is really nice. So I look forward to playing with that. That's cool. And then this one is also really awesome. It came with this die set, and I don't have anything like this. So this is also one of their layering ones, Winding Road Heroescape Bundle. And so you can see it makes a road like this. I think this would be great for a masculine card. It's always hard to kind of do a masculine card and kind of figure out what you're doing, but this one is really cool. So I look forward to using that. Now this was their everyday bundle, and this came with this neon ink, and I actually don't think I will have a use for this one, so I think I might include this in what I'm going to give away. So if you're interested in the neon ink, stay tuned. This one I actually had almost bought when this came out. I think it was part of their additional bundle with one of their monthly kits from a year or two ago. And I love celestial sky-themed things, so make your dreams come true, use sparkle, make a wish. And I love that the writing is on the inside of this. I think that makes a really cool effect. You light up the night, shine on, you sparkle. This would be great for like, if you're doing congratulation cards for somebody for like, you know, a dance recital or, you know, a play or something like that. That's really cool. This one I was really happy to get because I've actually been looking for one that has a sentiment like this. Thank you for helping me grow, because this is awesome for teacher cards. So whether you use this with this stamp set or, you know, how many of us have flower dies and stamps and everything like that. But thank you for helping me grow is an awesome one for teacher gifts. So I was glad to find that sentiment. And then these are really cool kind of, not geometric, but like kind of doodly looking flowers, and then of course a Happy Mother's Day sentiment, so that is nice to have as well. These I think are more recent release. This is Hello Autumn, and I like the font on this, kind of a wavy, like swirly wind kind of font there, so that's kind of cool. You're a breath of fresh air, hello autumn, 'tis the season to be folly, thank you for the little things. So a nice mix of sentiments there. And then this one is called, it's called Festive Graphic Bold Prints. So I'm not too sure. I'm going to have to look up how people use this one. It almost looks like it's cut in half there. Like, I don't know. I don't know how I would use this. This is outside my usual style, but maybe that would push me to do something unique and creative with it. So I'll have to see how other people have used this one. And then this is that duplicate that I mentioned, this one as well. And then this one I was surprised was not in the holiday kit, because this is obviously a holiday themed stamp, or stencil I mean. And I really like this. I don't have anything like this. I think this is absolutely just gorgeous. Nativity stencil, so I look forward to using that. It'll be a little hard to put down, I think, just because there's so much open space there, but I can just imagine how gorgeous, like, the night sky there would be. All right, now this is their holiday bundle, the Strawberry Hybrid ink, so I know I'll get some use out of that. Very cool fancy die set. Stained Glass Angel fancy die. I like that. Huh, it says this works with their compact cutter. And you guys know how much I love my Sidekick Sidekicks. This would obviously not fit in here, but it makes me wonder, actually, if the Hero Arts little cutter is slightly bigger. Seems like it would be, so I might actually have to look into the Hero Arts cutter. Just now look at these absolutely adorable little kind of Victorian people. This is Victorian ice skaters, in fact. So yes, they are Victorian. I just went and saw the Christmas Carol, so these look very much like the characters in A Christmas Carol. You've got kind of a little fox here, and a little deer, and maybe some mice and rabbits. It's very cute. Just skating by to say season's greetings, happy holiday, warmest holiday wishes. Very, very cute. This is a poinsettia paper layering die. I'm very excited about this because I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I just saw Jana Smakula do a really cool card using a very similar die from Spellbinders. So I look forward to trying that out. This little guy I think is so, so cute. He is called the Cozy Penguin, and look at all the little accessories you can have on him. You can have him solo by himself, or you can have the scarf and the sweater, and you've got like a little headphone hat, earmuffs here. Have a cozy Christmas with love to from you're the coolest. That would be a great sentiment for like a kid's birthday or something like that. I think that's just absolutely adorable. And it pairs really well with this one, which is called the North Pole Express. And this is so cute. Look at the little train. I love that there's like little peppermint candies for the wheels here. That is absolutely adorable. And then you can put all these train pieces together, and then you've got like the little Christmas tree on there. You could even, I bet you could actually mask this off and put extra things on here. So like you could actually put the Christmas tree on one of these wagons if you just mask off that section here. So I'm gonna have to try that. Actually, how cute would it be like off the top here? I can't wait to play around with that one. Hero Arts Heroscapes again. This is Winter Woods Heroscape. And how cool is this? Like, you can get a lot of dimension just by using different colored inks and everything like that. And those leaves layer really well. And you know, you could use it just individually. You don't have to use it all together. So and then I also love having these silhouette stamps. Oftentimes, you know, I don't necessarily feel like coloring in a bunch of things. So having the silhouettes is really nice to be able to have those animals in the landscape without having to do a lot of like Copic coloring or something like that. But this would be a great background for like any of these stamps to go along with it. That's really nice. And then this is like a Fair Isle kind of sweater pattern stencil. So I know I will get a lot of use out of this because I actually have a an embossing folder from Spellbinders that's very similar, and I have gotten a lot of use out of that one. So this is really a lot more versatile than you think it would be. And then this one, I actually don't have a Christmas tree die set. I have one that is sort of similar, but it's not a Christmas tree specifically. And so I'm excited to try this out. I don't know what these are. I wonder if these are supposed to be garlands. I'll have to check it out online to see if I can see how somebody else used it. But I love that it comes with the little ornaments and the presents and everything that you would need to make this a tree. And I bet, kind of have this idea, like you could make this like a really like 3D pop-up kind of tree in a card. I think that would be really cool. So those are all the things that I got. If you want to go ahead and enter for the giveaway of the items that I showed earlier in my video, all you got to do is leave a comment, be a subscriber, and I will pull a name at the end of the month. So by like November 30th, 31st, are there 31 days in November? I don't know. By December 1st, I will pull a winner. So thanks for watching. Do check this out. They are still available on the Hero Arts website. So if you are at all interested in getting one of these bundles, I highly recommend it. This is my second year getting their bundles, and I have not been disappointed. Some of the things I got in the last year's bundles are things that I use all the time now. I think it's a really great bargain for a really great amount of stuff and really high quality stuff. So anyway, hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will catch you in my next video pretty soon. Bye.